Good day to all employers. My name is Edralyn Agustin Iba, 34 years old, born on August 13, 1990, a mother of two. One boy is 5 years old and one girl is 1 year old. I have 4 years working experience in Philippines and my main duty is taking care of children and cooking. And I have 5 years experience in Saudi Arabia and my main duty is taking care of children, cooking and cleaning. Sometimes I do ironing and laundry and car washing. I know I know how to take care of newborn babies and I know how to handle a toddler and if you an animal lovers I can take good care of your favorite pets like dogs and cats. I'm a hardworking and willing to learn. I hope you will give me an opportunity to work in Hong Kong to work with you and I promise I will finish my contract and stay with you as long as you need me. Thank you.